Welcome back to the InfoFlux. Today we are going to building an awesome project where we will control a DC motor using the Blynk app. With just a press of button, you can make the motor go forward, backward or stop and even control its speed with a slider. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: ESP32 board, L298N motor driver module, DC motor, breadboard, and jumper wires. Let's set up the Blynk app. I have already made a getting started with Blynk IO tutorial. I have provided the link in the description. Open the Blynk IO. Now click on the new template. Give name to your project. In hardware, select the ESP32 and click the Done button. Now click on the data stream. Then click on the new data stream and select the virtual pin as you are creating this variable for forward. So in the name, write forward and click create button. Now again click on the new data stream. Click on the virtual pin and in name write backward. And click the create button. In similar way, we create a data stream for the stop. Then create a data stream for speed. And set the minimum value 0 and maximum value 255. Now click on the web dashboard. And insert 3 switches. By double click on the switches, you can adjust the size of the switch. Next, link the variable with the switches. Now insert the slider with which we can control the speed of the DC motor and link the variable with it. Click the Save button. Click on the devices. Click on the new device. Then choose from template and select the DC motor control and click the create button. Now copy the credentials and paste it in the code. Install the required libraries. Upload the code to the ESP32. Open the Blynk IO with same ID with which you have created Blynk web dashboard. Click on the DC motor control and add the widgets by following steps. Now that we have set up the Blynk app, let's get our hardware ready. Here is a simple wiring diagram. We connect the motor driver to our microcontroller. The motor pins connected to the motor driver, and the IN1 and IN2 pin control the direction of the motor. We also connect the PWM pin to control the speed. We will be using a L298 motor driver to control the motor, which will be powered by a 12-volt power supply. Here's how you will wire it up. Connect the IN1 pin of the L298N module to GPIO pin 2 of the ESP32. Connect the IN2 pin of the L298N module to GPIO pin 4 of the ESP32. Connect the in-app PWM pin to a PWM capable GPIO pin like GPIO 22. Motor leads connected to output terminal on the motor driver, and don't forget to connect the ground pin to common ground between your microcontroller and motor driver. As you can see, when I press the forward button, the motor rotates forward. Additionally, by adjusting the slider, I can control the speed of the motor. If I press the backward button, it rotates backward. And the stop button stops the motor. We have successfully controlled a DC motor with the Blynk app, including the directional control and speed adjustment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome projects. Also, let me know in comments what you would like to see next. Catch you in the next one.